See it looking good. Hello everyone, this is Rinty's Plate. I'm here again with another recipe, and today I'm going to cook sweet Jamaica pudding. Yes, here I have two type of potato. I have the Jamaica potato and the red skin potato. Very good potato. You have to look at the potato when you buy it, because you're the yellow skin potato, you can never put it into pudding. Okay? And I have a piece of white yam here. My cassava, you know cassava, very good in pudding. And a cocoa, Jamaica cocoa. Yes. Over here I have my coconut, my brown sugar, a little cornmeal, my flour, my butter, and I have evaporated milk, and I have malt, I have vanilla, I have rose water and almond, and black pepper, cinnamon powder, and my little salt, and I have some soak raisin here, and some little wine. Yes, so stay tuned. I'm going to get all my stuff ready, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm peeling my potato. See, yellow and look nice? You can know the right potato I have. Wash them. This is my cocoa. Okay, this is my piece of white yam. You don't have to do the potato, the yam, and the cassava. You can do one, just the yam alone and the potato, or the cassava alone and the potato, or the cocoa alone and the potato. But I like to put, I like when my potato firm and nice. All these give it body and make it taste nice. Okay. Okay. Oh, I peel my cassava. See, take off the skin, see it? Okay guys, I almost finished all my potato. I finished everything, and I'm putting some coconut. I'm gonna grate some coconut on it. It's so many pudding I have to make. See it? I have to put it into a bigger container. After grated this coconut. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I have to change my container to a bigger one. So I'm going to combine everything. Some coconut juice here, and I have another container of coconut juice. I'm going to add it to it over this, and also my evaporated milk. Yes, it's a big pudding I'm making, Yes, so I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. I taste 1 stick of butter to my container. It's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 malt. I have 2 if it needed some more. Okay, I'm gonna add some rose water here, rose almond. Okay, I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. And for my almond, I'm gonna add 2. Okay. My vanilla, I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teaspoonful. Okay. Here is my nutmeg. My fork is wet, so I'm just gonna put some nutmeg here. It's around more than. Okay. Allspice. I'm gonna put some allspice here, and I'm gonna just mix everything together. And my nutmeg. No, my cinnamon. I did my nutmeg already. My cinnamon. Okay. And my pinch of salt over here. Around half teaspoon, if I don't want much. Okay. I'm gonna mix everything together. The water look long, but it's not long because I have to leave some to put on the top of the pudding when it's halfway through the oven. Okay. Okay. I finished putting all my ingredients in my liquid, and I'm gonna add my flour to my potato, my mix here. If it need more flour, I have 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna take them, add it to it. I'm gonna mix it in first. Remember, my mother used to make pudding, you know, man. Now mix it with a spoon, you know. Just her hand to rub it up. Okay? Right, 4 cups of flour, and then I have 1 cup of cornmeal here. Just combine the flour with it before. Okay. Look good, Mitch, with the flour, right? I don't think it need no more flour. I'm just gonna put the cornmeal now. Just a cup or a half cup of cornmeal. I just add to it. And then I add my liquid. This is when I'm making big pudding. And it's not big pudding, I have around 3 containers. Alright, I'm gonna add some of this liquid to my thing now and stir it up. Okay, I think this is good now. Yes, I think this is good now. Oh my God, I'm gonna put my raisin, soak in my red label. I'm telling you, smell good. Okay, I think I reached the mark that I'm looking for. Yes, see it looking good. I already greased my baking tin, and I have 3 here. Okay, so they are ready. So let me put across here. Okay, it's holding the 3 of them. This looks so nice. And see, I have some remain here. Is to put on the top. Yes, before it bake halfway through, I put this on the top. Okay, So in my oven, I put my stove for 350. So in my oven. Okay. This is halfway through the pudding. Oh my God. I'm just gonna put some on top. Yeah, give it a good soft top, right? Yeah. Put it back in here. And you see it? I didn't want to put file paper on it because it takes so long. You see how this looking nice? Okay.